Hello everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel. This is where I'm gonna document my trading journey because I've been trading for 2.5 years. I've lost over 10K in the market, but I also got 4K in payouts. And last month, I mean in December 2025, I lose a 9K balance in my Express account. So that's why I want to start this YouTube channel to make me accountable, and I will post every single trade I make here on the YouTube channel. I will not skip a single trade. I'll try my best to, but I'll try my best to not skip a single trade, and I keep things transparent for me and keep myself accountable. Okay, so this is how I make 1.5K today trading the Nasdaq. It's not showing right now because it was yesterday, and I did not have time yesterday to journal because it was the last day of the year, right? So because it's the last day of the year, I was expecting it to be very volatile, right? Coming into the day, we have um, we have Asia and London dumping when we break out this range, right? So we took out, um, we filled the new opening gap, and then in New York. I don't really know what to expect, but I have my draw, which is this, and of course all these unfilled gaps, right? So that's my draw going to market open, and market open um, around right here, which already wait, let me go slow down to the 1 minute. So market open up here, right? 9:30 keeps dumping, right? And I noticed that okay, we are respecting this um, 4 hour gap with volume, right? And there's truly nothing like this candle is very sussy. Right? This candle is very bad because the wick is really low, it's very small. So um, I want to target this candle as well as um, there's no truly bullish PDO raise to push us higher, right? So this move pre-market, I think it is very inefficient, right? Especially at this candle right here, which has no wick, right? So keep that in mind, um, right here. So when we displacing lower, right? At here, I already noticed that there are some VI and there are some inefficient delivery like this and this. So I expect that to be a manipulation move, and this move down here is very efficient, right? And I tried to enter right here, and I didn't have an account because I just viewed the last account, and I missed this trade, right? So I wait for a retracement. So keep in mind that the draw is still intact, like these lows are still vulnerable to me because this is not a good reversal signal. um, so I wait, and here we have a 5 minute gap very nicely, right? Have a 5 minute gap, wait for that to tap in, and my model is continuation model, right? When price shoot up here and then shut down like this, I don't FOMO into it. I wait until it retests a POA and show me, the invalidations of the retracement. So it's slowly grinding up, but it displays lower immediately. So this is my first entry, right? First entry right here in this displacement candle. My stop loss is up here, and I target these lows, right? Target these lows. As in this like this low, I don't want to target like the final low. But right here, price start displacing, price start chopping around, still respecting this gap though. My stop loss is when this gap get displaced, right? So didn't get stop out, but get stop out right here because my models and my backtesting say that if all the gaps that break out all these lows right here get inversed, that is where I exit my trade, right? However, when I get break even, price displays once again um, through these BC, right? Showing me that doesn't have an intention of slowing down, and also there's no higher PDO raise to rebalance. So we have this 15 minute busy, but seeing the displacement from the 1 minute give me the convictions to go short right here. So I know it's gonna chop, so I waited for a rebalance right here. Um, Stop loss up here, that candle high, and TP at this internal low. So these are the two trades that I took. Um, One get break even and one get stop loss. One hit full TP and make 1500 1500 on my evals today. So pretty good day, and expecting to trade um, probably next week. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow or Friday. I'm just gonna trade next week, right? And yeah, basically that is the trade recap for today.